Hello and welcome to Sahyog 11 Plus Health Club Solution videos. In this video, we will review a subset of questions on M13 Year 5 paper. Let us look at our first sum, that is sum number 20. Here, for the shape given below, find x which is equal to angle P and angle R. So the figure here, if we look at the figure, it is six-sided. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this figure right here has 6 sides and therefore is a polygon. So to solve any polygon, what is the formula? The formula to solve any polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So this is the formula that we will keep in mind while solving this sum right here. So here, as there are 6 sides, so we'll put the numbers n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So n is the number of sides. What does n denote? It is the number of sides. So the number of sides here, we have 6 sides, therefore we'll put 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 4 into 180 degree, which is equal to 720 degrees. So now the 720 degrees we have it in hand. Next what we will do is we will add all the sides together, which will lead to x plus, if we start from angle P right here, so if we write here x plus 80 degree plus 135 degrees plus x plus 50 . Now we'll have to add all of them, and after adding all of them we'll get an answer. So let's see what the answer is. So there are 3 x's right here, so we have a 3x, and here it will be is equal to 120 degree. So here 3x, and after adding all these numbers right here, we get a 585 is equal to 720 degrees, and then 3x is equal to 720 minus 585, which is equal to how much? 135. Therefore x equal to 135 by 3. We get x as a 45 degrees. So now we have the value of x right here. After this finding, we have to find the angle P and angle R. So we'll just, in order to find values for angle P and angle R, we just need to put the value of x in its place. So for angle P here, the value of angle P is x plus 80 degree. So x's value is 45. So 45 plus 80 gives us a 125 degrees. This is our answer for angle P, and angle R right here is x plus 75 degrees, which is equal to 45 plus 75 degrees, which is equal to, the answer to this is 120 degrees. And this one right here, angle R, is 120 degrees. So now if we come towards the left, and we can write the values, which is x is equal to 45 degree, angle P is equal to 125 degrees, and angle R is equal to 120 degrees. This is the answer for sum number 20. Looking at our next sum, that is sum number 15. In this sum, what do we have to do? We need to find the area of the triangle shown below if the value of the x given is minus 1. So the formula for the area of the triangle, what is the formula we follow? The formula is half into base into height, and the base here is this and the height here is this right here. So following this formula, we'll have to now solve our sum. So now if we put the values half into, we'll be needing two brackets because the value of the x given here is in minus. So the first b's value is 4 plus minus 1, bracket close, into now the height, which is value is 3 minus 1, which is this. Now therefore after that, if we go on to solving, this is half, plus minus makes it a minus, so it will give us a 3 into, this gives us a minus is plus, so this gives us 4. So therefore this goes cancelled, and then 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore the area of the triangle shown here is 6. Looking at our next sum, that is sum number 14. The length of each side of a square is this, 3t minus 2 centimeter. Find the formula of the perimeter. Formula for the perimeter. So here the square, if we have a square and each side, so this is one side right here, this is 3t minus 2 centimeter. So the perimeter, so the formula for the perimeter is P is equal to 4a. Therefore in place of a, we can put this right here, where a is the side, a denotes the side. So we'll solve this one right here, making P is equal to 4 into 3t minus 2 centimeter. Now mind you, this 4 here will be multiplied by both the 3t as well as 2. So we can put this in a bracket as well, making it 12t minus 8 centimeter. So this is the first answer for part A. Now if perimeter of the square is 28 centimeter, find the value of t. So now 12t minus 8 is equal to 28. We can write it like this because the p we found here was this. The formula for p is this. So if the p is 28 centimeter, it comes after the 28. Now we solve for t. So now 12t is equal to 28 plus 8 gives us a 36. Therefore t is equal to 36 divided by 12, making it 3. So the value for t is 3 and the formula for the perimeter is this. These both are the answers of A and B respectively under the question 14. Looking at our next sum, that is sum number 12. Mike and his friends are setting up a huge tent which is in shape of a trapezoidal prism. See the shape below. How much space is in this tent, or in other words, what is the volume of the shape below? Okay, so now what we do is, first we see that here, if we see this portion right here that I am drawing, this forms trapezium, not trapezoid actually, it is a trapezium. So for this one, now the formula for finding it is the area. The area of this is 5 centimeters and the volume for this is area of the trapezium, that is this, multiplied by the height, that is 5 centimeters. So, or in place of 5 centimeters here, we'll just write h because this is a formula that we are writing. So the area of the trapezium is 5 and the height is 5, making the volume 25 centimeters square, and this is our answer for sum number 12. Looking at our next sum, a cube has edges that are 6 meters long. A cuboid has a length of 2 meters, width of 3 and height of 4 meters. Which of these have the largest volume? So let us first construct a cuboid. So I am not using any scale particularly right here, but a freehand cuboid would look something like this. So now this cuboid right here has the edges of 6 meter. The edge of a cube, the edge of a cube here is 6 meters. And now if we draw a cuboid in a similar manner, this one right here looks like more of a cuboid. So the length is 2 meter, the width is 3 meter and the height is 4 meter. So now we need to find which one has the largest volume. So first we'll find the cube's volume. The cube's volume, which is the formula for finding it, is a cube, where a is the number of edges or sides. So this is 6 to the power 3, which means 6 into 6 into 6, 6 multiplied 3 times, which gives us the answer as 216 meter cube. And the cuboid's volume is equal to WHL. So here, where W is width, H is the height and L is the length. So for W we have 3 into the H is 4 into 2, which gives us 24 meter cube. So here if we look at them, the cube's volume is largest. So we write here cube is equal to 216 meter cube. What is the difference between the volume between the two shapes? So difference means we need to subtract. So now in order to subtract, we will just write 216 minus 24, which is equal to 192 meter cube. This is our answer for question number 2 right here. Looking at our next sum, that is sum number 1. BD and GE are parallel lines. Find the value of x, angle x. So here it is very simple. By looking at the figure, we can understand the shape that it forms, this and this line right here. This, if we invert it, it forms the shape of an H right here. So the two angles, that is this and this, for here it is 48 degree and this is x. So in the shape H or in the letter H, these two angles right here means that they are opposite, and in parallel line, opposite sides or opposite angles are same. So if this is 48 right here, if G, F and H, if angle G, F, H is equal to 48, therefore X is equal to 48 as well, because of opposite sides. So angle GFH is equal to angle BCA, which is also is equal to angle X, or the value of X. So this is our answer for sum number 1. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe Sahyog 11 Plus Help Club YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you.